Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome back. It is a beautiful spring day, first week of April. I'm supposed to make it, I don't know, low 70s, so figured it'd be a good time to whip out the camera and give you guys an update, let you know how I'm doing and some of the progress I've been making on the shop. So it's going to kind of be a vlog, just going to record here and there. So, I am healing up really well. The left leg is almost completely healed up. Hopefully another week or two I won't have to put bandages on them. My right leg, still going to take a while because that front shin, the skin is so thin that, it's going to be maybe 6 weeks, would be nice that it's all healed up and, don't need to put bandages on it. But I don't have any pain, so that's good, no infection. Dermatologist is pleased with how things are going, so it's just kind of status quo on me healing up. So I guess let's take you into the shop. What do you say? So while we're out here, next week at this time the garage door people should be here, so I can get 2 new garage doors. This one almost came down a few days ago. We had some really high winds. I mean 25 to 30 mile an hour winds with 50 mile an hour gusts, and that whole top part caved in. Almost lost it. So kind of had to do a makeshift. Let's get a light here. A makeshift support there with some unistrut, trying to hold it up so it'll last another week. But once I get these garage doors up, that'll be really nice. That'll enable me to, like I said, get all this stuff out of here, get light in here, and then I'll get the electrician in, and we can get some wiring going. Let's see. So, started on the shop office. Started cleaning up. The posters back there didn't make it. They melted. A couple decimal charts I was able to save. That's good. I think 2 didn't make it. So just got this area, started cleaning it up. I am not going to put a window back in. That window was a custom order 2-pane Pello window. Pre-COVID, it cost me $250. I bet now that thing is closer to like $400. So I just don't see spending the money on another window there. So got it framed in. I'm just going to close it up. I got to get some paneling. So, that's what's going on there. I'll come around the corner. I got all that burnt railing replaced, as you see. So we're good there. And let me turn this light around so you guys can see a little bit. So all these hardware bins, they melted. So there was just piles of hardware and melted plastic and insulation and water all mixed together. So ordered all new bins, got them all organized. So that took, several days because it was a lot of work. And then, I just come down here and work a couple days a week because the weather's still been hit or miss because, it's springtime here. So tomorrow it could be cold and rainy. You just don't know. And let's see. Still waiting for a final estimate. The guy is supposed to be here any time. I think I'm probably going to go with him because he is local and he can, get on it. And his price quote seems to be about in line with what materials I can buy. Material wise, obviously labor is, open for interpretation. So hopefully get this fixed. I'm just ready to move forward, Work weekend. So looks like we got about 7, maybe 8 committed. So that is awesome. Hopefully, we get a ton of work done. Still accumulating a few more things. Picked up some more scratch pads. I got some more blue towels on order. And I can't remember what else I got. But anyway, so trying to get stocked up a lot on the cleaning supplies. So Mr. Chaos is down here today hanging out, waiting me to throw his dumbbell here. So we'll go outside real quick and toss his dumbbell. But that's it, a quick little update on how things are going. And if the guys don't mind me filming, maybe I'll get a little bit of install footage next week when I'm installing the garage doors. If not, then I'll just show you after they're up. So stay tuned. Well, it's the next week, so I figured I'd do a little update, making another trash run. This should be about it pretty much. So, you know, that's good. If you can see, but the new garage doors are not installed. Unfortunately, they should be here today, but because of the Easter holiday weekend this past week, that messed up the shipping, so they didn't get them last week to install them this week. So they're supposed to get them this week, and they should be here towards the end of next week to install the door. So I'll hopefully get a little bit of footage of that. And since I'm going to have a bunch of different work crews here and some of you guys for the work weekend, I got you guys taken care of. The most luxurious porta potty there is. So anyways, seriousness, good news is I have a contractor under contract to fix my shop, so yay. Gave him a deposit. He's going to be ordering the materials, hopefully have it in a couple weeks, and then he should be able to start once he gets those basically about the 1st of May. So that's exciting. So we get new doors in, get the work weekend through, get a lot of stuff cleaned up, and then get you know, a crew working on getting the shop back in order. Let's take a peek inside. Haven't been doing much, but working on the shop office. Man, there's a lot of stuff in there. I didn't realize it, and it takes forever, you know, because I gotta clean each individual knick-knack, picture frame, you know, every book, you know, the microwave, refrigerator, stereo stuff. So, you know, everything had to be cleaned and then packed up. So this is all I got left. That and my oil cans. And that way we can, once people are here, we can get the furniture out, get the rug up, you know, and get cleaning everything in here. Probably going to have to paint it, but that's the progress I've made so far. And as you can see, I'm still working off these lights, but also a glimmer of good news is hopefully the electrician is going to be able to pop in 1 or 2 days this week, and then maybe a couple days next week, so we can get a decent amount of lights up and start making some progress. He's right now doing a lot of contract work for the county, so he's busy doing that. But so just a quick update, and hopefully the next part of the video you'll see will be having the doors installed, so stay tuned. Well, the old sticker board didn't make it. This is sad fate here. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to start all over. This sucks. Now, some of you guys that sent me multiple stickers, you know, I saved those. So when I get a chance, I'll go through and see what I've got and see what I'm going to need to get me back up and running. So I may reach out to some of you fellow creators and ask to send me some more stickers if I don't have yours, so I can get the board back up to where it needs to be. But it's a real bummer, man. So I just received this package from Jim W. Thank you there, Jim. I really appreciate it. He sent us a bunch of safety glasses, so this will come in handy for the work weekend. I know all the volunteers will appreciate it also. That way, keep the dust and dirt and flying fiberglass out of their eyes. So, awesome gift, Jim. I really appreciate it. Thanks again, buddy. Well, guys, check it out. I got me some lights. Woohoo! So the electrician just left. We've been working all day. So we got 5 high bay 4-foot LED fixtures hung. So it really helps out. Of course, it'd be a lot brighter in here if I didn't have a black ceiling. Once we get you know, the insulation up, then you know, it'll be white and reflecting down, so it'll look good. So that's what we got done today. So we should have plenty of light for the work weekend. Doors will be coming in and installed next week, so good on that. But I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap this video up and get this vlog posted to you guys. And the next video will be the work weekend, and of course I'll show you the new doors, but you know, they're going to look just like the old ones, so nothing special. But it'd be nice to be able to open these up and get a lot more light in. So good to make progress. And of course Mr. Chaos is ready to play. He's got his new cigar down here with a rope. Oh, so he's happy to get down here and have a good time. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and we'll see you on the work weekend video. All right, bye.